In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save files from Dropbox to a USB drive. This is a simple and practical way to make an extra copy of your files so you can carry them with you, transfer them to another computer, or keep a backup offline. In this walkthrough, we'll use the easiest method, which is downloading the file from the Dropbox website and then moving it onto your USB flash drive. To begin, plug your USB flash drive into your computer. Give it a few seconds to connect properly. On a Windows computer, it should appear in File Explorer, and on a Mac, you'll usually see it in Finder. It's a good idea to make sure the drive is fully recognized before moving on, because that will make the transfer much smoother. Next, open Dropbox on your computer by going to the Dropbox website in your browser. Once it opens, sign into your account if you're not already signed in. After that, browse through your files and folders until you find the file or folder you want to save to the USB drive. Take a moment here to double check that you've selected the correct item, especially if you have multiple versions or similarly named files. When you've found the right file or folder, click the three dots next to it to open the Options menu. From that menu, click Download. Dropbox will then prepare the item and save it to your computer. In most cases, the file will go directly into your Downloads folder unless your browser is set up to ask where to save files first. If the folder or file is large, the download may take a little time, so wait until it finishes completely before continuing. Now, open the Downloads folder on your computer and locate the file you just downloaded. Then open your USB drive in File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac. With both locations visible, drag and drop the file from the Downloads folder into the USB drive window. This will copy the file onto the USB drive. Once the transfer is finished, check that the file appears on the USB drive. That quick confirmation can help you avoid removing the drive before the copy is complete. After that, your Dropbox file is successfully saved to your USB flash drive and ready to use. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you transfer your files quickly and easily.